Hello, Cool FM. This is Alexis Moselle, and I am here in Old Bisbee covering the Prowl, brought to you by Ed Morse Automotive Group. Let's go take a look.
Award. We never will. It's about building a bike and showing up here and riding your bike. So
My name is Matthew Romero, and this is my wife, Cassandra. We're with the Prowl Motorcycle Show. This is going to be our 9th annual event. We're doing it in Old Bisbee, Arizona. This is a family-oriented event. Kids under 12 get it in free. This event is for vintage choppers, like-minded people, put together by memory.
This year went really good. We had our kids helping out. We had the whole family here, and it was an amazing turnout, more than we could have ever expected.
Mainly, I want to say thank you to all our help, our sponsors, but mainly our family and friends that have the boots on the ground that help make this possible. I want to say thank you to my lovely wife. This is what we do. Always having my back on that. So thank you, and you.
Wait.